So let's start the discussion about should have been. Should have been can be used in two ways. First, should have been plus noun. Second, should have been plus verb third form. And this sentence always used as a passive voice. So first of all, I'm going to talk about should have been plus noun. Should have been plus noun can be used to show the greatness of the past which have not done, and we can use it to show time duration. So let me elaborate about it through example. You should have been a manager since 2014. In this sentence, I told you two information. First, I did regret about the past, and second, I told you how much times ago I have been regretting. Let me show you a timeline infographic which we can understand easily. Suppose I had a friend, he was chartered accountant, and he got a job in a company in 2014, and after that I met him in 2020, and I saw he was working on lower position. So I said, you should have been a manager because you are chartered accountant. Here I expressed my regretness about my friend because my friend was not a manager. He was working lower position. And second thing, I told him time duration, like how much times ago he should have been a manager. So should have been plus noun, you can use it to show the greatness of the past, and been word will help you to show time duration, like I used to show time duration between 2014 to 2020. So I hope you have understood about it. And let me show you my second example. Speaking English should have been my aim. This sentence is also showing the greatness of the past. For example, I had been learning speaking English since 1 year, and a few days ago I met with my friend. He was speaking English very well, and I could not speak. So I was regretting on myself, and I was thinking speaking English should have been my aim. So today I could speak English. And let me show you my last example. Suppose you and your friend got holiday from your school for a week, like from Monday to Sunday. And after a week, you return to your school and your friend asks, how are you? And you answer, yes, I'm fine. And in return, you ask, how have you been? Here, you made a difference between how are you and how have you been. So here, I'm going to highlight been word. Like your friend asked, how are you? It means he was asking about your present. This time, how are you? And you ask, how have you been? It means you are asking about all activity of the past week. Like he got holiday from Monday to Sunday. So you was asking about all activity from Monday to Sunday. So I hope you have understood about it. And if you want to show the greatness of the past from initial time to the present, so you can use should have been and plus noun or object. And let me show you my second word, should have been plus verb third form. And this model's verb always used as a passive voice. Let me show you a definition. It is used to show some action of the past which should have been done by other. And this model's verb always shows negative action. Let me show you some example. He should have been sent to jail. This sentence is also showing action of the past which has not been completed yet. Suppose your neighbor committed a crime, and since crime he has not been arrested. So you were thinking he should have been arrested by police and he should have been sent to jail, but yet he was not arrested. And let me show you my second example. They should have been asked about it. This sentence is also showing action of the past which should have been completed. Suppose when police had arrested your neighbors and your neighbor's family, so police did not ask anything about crime. So you was thinking they should have been asked about crime. And let me show you my last example. He should not have been given the mobile. This sentence is also showing action of the past which has not been completed. For example, when police had arrested your neighbor, then police had confiscated everything including mobile. But when police released him, so police gave him everything including mobile. So you are thinking he should not have been given mobile, and mobile should have been checked by police. So I hope you have understood about should have been plus noun and should have been plus verb third form. If you think it was helpful, please like and subscribe my channel.